Fix your hair loss. Easy home remedies for women's hair loss. Where did the good hair days go, you ask yourself. One day you're flipping your hair for a cutesy boomerang video. And the next day you wake up to a not-so-pleasant pillowcase. Well, it is normal to lose hair as part of a natural balance. Some fall out, while some grow. We all shed 50 to 100 strands of hair every day. But, when this balance is skewed, the fallout increases and the regeneration decreases, you know it's the dreaded hair loss. What are the red flags for hair loss, you ask? We have listed down a few telltale signs of hair loss so you can put a long due break to it before it's too late. Causes of female hair loss. Female pattern baldness can arise due to different reasons and can be of different types. For example, frontal hair loss in females is indicated by thinning and evident bald patches on the front area of the scalp. Here's a lowdown on the general causes of female hair loss. Reasons for hair loss. 1. Chemotherapy or radiation therapy. Radiation therapies, like chemotherapy, target the healthy cells along with the harmful ones, and as a result, the hair follicles get damaged, which then leads to hair loss. Honestly, don't bother wondering how to prevent hair loss. In this case, it's not priority. Once the consumption of drugs is stopped altogether, hair may grow back but with a different texture. Number 2. Medications. Certain drugs and supplements such as antidepressants may affect the hair follicles on your scalp and cause hair loss. Usually, once the course of medicines is complete and you have recovered, the hair loss will gradually reduce. Number 3. Tight hairstyles. Did you know your cute pigtails and side-swept cornrows can actually take a toll on your tresses? Traction alopecia is the kind of hair loss caused by tight hairstyles that add stress to your hair follicles and may cause patchy baldness. These natural home remedies for hair loss will answer your impending question of how to stop hair loss and regrow hair naturally. Home remedies for hair loss. Number 1. Onion juice. Onions are antibacterial in nature and fight scalp infections while improving blood circulation to the hair follicles. Besides, they are rich in sulfur, which boosts collagen levels. You need a collagen boost if healthy hair growth and reduced hair loss is on your agenda. In a recent study, women with alopecia areata type of baldness experienced hair regrowth after 4-6 weeks of using onion juice for hair loss. Need we say more? Step 1. Grind 2 peeled onions and extract the juice into a bowl. Step 2. Apply this juice on your scalp and along the length of your hair. Step 3. Let this hair loss solution stay for 30 minutes. Use a shower cap to retain it on your scalp. Step 4. Rinse off with water. Quick alternative: Tricone onion shampoo enriched with vitamin E and natural extracts. Home remedies for hair loss. Number 2. Gooseberry. Gooseberry or amla is rich in vitamin C, iron, phosphorus, tannins, calcium and antioxidants, which suppress the damaging free radicals and keep hair follicles healthy. Also, what makes vitamin C an essential protagonist in hair repair and regrowth is its ability to ease the absorption of iron, which is essential for stimulating hair growth. Now this sounds like a foolproof ingredient to help reduce hair loss. Step 1. Slice 3 gooseberries and remove the seeds. Step 2. Grind the slices to prepare a juice. Step 3. Apply this juice to your scalp and hair while gently massaging with fingertips. Step 4. After 20 minutes, rinse off with cold water. Home remedies for hair loss. Number 3. Egg mask. Trust eggs to come to your rescue all the time. Loaded with proteins, vitamin B12, iron, zinc, selenium, phosphorus and omega-6 fatty acids, egg mask for hair loss accelerates hair growth and controls hair loss. However, if you decide to go with this hair loss solution, ensure you have something to counter the repelling egg stench, like baking soda, vinegar or lemon juice. Step 1. Break an egg and whisk it in a bowl till you get a smooth consistency. Step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the mixture and stir it well. Step 3. Now, apply this mask evenly on your scalp with the help of a brush. Step 4. Rinse off with a fragrant shampoo. Home remedies for hair loss. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera houses proteolytic enzymes which repair dead cells on the scalp and speed hair regrowth. This fleshy leaf contains vitamins A, C, E, B, copper, zinc and choline that pack it with regenerative properties and is backed by scientific consensus. You can grow this plant at home, don't worry. It doesn't demand extreme water duties, and you've found yourself an inexpensive hair loss solution. Step 1. Take an aloe vera leaf and scoop out its pulp with the help of a spoon. Step 2. Apply it to your scalp in strands. Step 3. Let it stay for 45 minutes. This is good time to get back to that episode you left halfway. Step 4. Rinse off with cold water. Thanks for